Hello and welcome to P2 Soccer Training. In today's session we're going to be looking at defending 1v1 and applying pressure. This is designed for our intermediate level players. In the warm-up you're going to set up a 24 by 24 yard grid. Half the players have a ball and the other half do not. Players will take the ball and have a few touches before identifying a player to pass to. Once they pass the ball, they are now a defender and they must follow their pass and apply pressure to the receiver. The objective is not to take the ball but to apply pressure and to backpedal and give the receiver somewhere to take it round. If the attacker can take the ball around the player and take it out of the square, then just switch around. There are coaching points on the session plan, and the first is the angle of approach and the second is the speed of play. Please take time to look at these. If you want to make it easier you can decrease the size of the area, and to make it harder you can increase the size of the area for this one. The second part of the session we're going to be in the same grid and we're going to divide it in half with a 2-yard channel in the middle. This gives you two areas measuring approximately 24 by 11 and we will be able to create 1v1 scenarios. The defender will serve the ball to the attacker and then it's a 1v1 to goal. Because we are working on the defender in this one and applying pressure, if you want to make it easier you're going to decrease the size of the area, and if you want to make it harder, the defender also has a ball and must hit the attacker's ball to stop them. The coaching points that we're going to be working on this technical aspect of our session will be body shape and delay. Again, to read more on these, please visit the session plan. In the tactical element of our session, on the same size field that you've already set up, put 3 small goals at either side. It'll be 3v3 and the objective will be to match each player with someone from the opposite team. By doing this, we will create lots of 1v1 opportunities in a realistic game-like scenario. You may need to do this 3 or 4 times to accommodate all your players. If you want to make it easier, you can take away one of the goals, and to make it harder on this one, match each player with one of the player from the other team and only allow them to tackle that player. The coaching point for this is spatial awareness, and please read into this from the session plan. In the final part of our session, we'll be playing a small-sided scrimmage. We suggest playing 5v5 that keeps all the players engaged, and we suggest doing no goalkeepers with small goals at each end to encourage accuracy. To start this scrimmage we will say we're going to dribble into an end zone. This could be the penalty box and this will present lots of 1v1 opportunities. However, we always advise that you should play the game with no restrictions at some point and allow the players to enjoy the game. You should make it as real as possible by setting a formation, assigning positions and making sure that the players understand their roles within the game. There is a coaching summary on the session plan that you should familiarise yourself with, and as always thank you very much for watching and for the session plan to go along with this, and for more session plans like this visit p2.soccer.